Welcome to Getting Started with SyncUp. So from this page, there are two pricing options. One is primarily if you're looking to use LinkedIn to get a job, in which case you would select Job Seeker Monthly. The second is if you are looking for LinkedIn to generate leads, prospects, deals, opportunities, and pipeline. I am going to go ahead and select Sales Leader Monthly and press Start Free Trial. From here, you will be taken to this page where you will now sign up. When you sign up, you have to fill in your name. We're going to go ahead and say Jake Rainmaker, company, SyncUp, email jake@syncupcrm.com, password. And now we'll go ahead and press sign up. At this point, you will be taken to the payment screen where you'll input your payment details.